God damn shit.
What's going on?
Both.
Nope. What is that?
Yeah, if they got a leak or something, I gotta find it.
I hold your breath, Bridget. Seriously.
Oh my God.
Oh God.
Nasty. Damn. I swear to God. That does smell like you.
Please go away.
Oh goodness. I need my goddamn keys. If I go take a shit, would you follow me in there too?
Get close, man. You didn't smell.
I did!
Go back and smell.
Oh my God!
Ah, God damn! Shit stinks, man.
It really does. Oh, gross.
Oh God. Oh.
All over me.
God. It's like a scene from Saw.
Smell like goddamn Charlie Brown seafood. There's my snake killer. Oh my God. Hey, you wanna know what that smell better than this shit? I thought it was goddamn Tina's cooking. Goddamn!
Oh, gross.
Fuck! It ain't that goddamn funny, motherfucker.
Oh man, there's gonna be a possum getting in this house. That was really hard holding the breath.
I haven't been holding my breath.
You hadn't been? So you smelled all this. I smelled a bit until I started breathing.
Start breathing.
No way.
Please.
I just peed a little. I let go of every bodily function.
God damn it! My head's all in the shit! God damn you! Motherfucker's about ready to split. I can't do no more. Nah, man, I got you. God damn, that's nasty. Well, give me another shirt. I'm gonna throw it down there. Oh, my shirt always has to be one shoe.
The only thing big enough.